Dear delegates, the International Solar Alliance has already made remarkable progress, including the Global Solar Facility, Small Islands, Developing State Platform, Africa's solar mini-grids, and emerging digital innovations. The next step must be deeper inclusivity, ensuring that no woman, no farmer, no village, and no small island is left behind in this solar revolution.
Our theme, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, One Earth, One Family, One Future, became the world's moral compass. The same philosophy shapes the International Solar Alliance. The ISA stands as a platform for South cooperation and belief that sunlight belongs to all humanity. Our One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative builds on that vision to connect the world through a shared clean energy grid, transmitting the solar power from where the sun shines, where it is dark.
I would like to express my profound gratitude to the Alliance Secretariat for its remarkable work over the past year. I would also like to congratulate you, Mr. Director General, on your work since taking office at the beginning of the year.
Climate action will be at the core of our work for the next decade. And this alliance, the International Solar Alliance, work directly to contribute to the implementation of COP decision, especially the decision to transition away from fossil fuel and the tripling of renewable energy capacity by 2030.
A decade ago, ISA was born from a simple yet powerful idea that the sun unites us all. Today, that idea has grown into a global alliance of 125 countries, representing nearly 3/4 of humanity.